Yo, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlogs, and as always I appreciate all the love and support. In today's video, it's going to be a two-part video. This video is going to be leading to the exhaust install by the latest sponsor with AWE Tuning. If you haven't seen that video just yet, I'll leave a card up top, but either way we're going to get straight to it. And I got my 2018 Camaro ZL1 right here behind me, and we're going to get this video going. Let's go. Alright you guys, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the car out for a little spin. I want to get a before and after sound so that way you guys can hear it before and then the after on what it sounds like. I do have my GoPro in the car, so I'm gonna mount that on the back bumper so we can hear if there's any kind of pops or anything that we have on this stock exhaust. The only thing that I've done to this exhaust is the secondary cat deletes. That's the only thing I've done to it, and it sounds great. It sounds amazing, especially when you hit it on open throttle. Just give it some gas and you hear it. It sounds really, really good. Now keep in mind, I do have the fuse pulled on my exhaust where I had it on sport mode or track mode, and then I shut off the car and I pulled the fuse so that way the valves just stay open the whole time. So with that AWE Tuning touring exhaust, it doesn't have any MPP control for the valves, so they're always going to be open, which that's pretty much how I drive around right now anyway. So now with this setup, what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you guys a startup, and it's not going to be a cold start because I already drove the car around earlier today. So once the new exhaust is installed this Saturday, we're going to check it out and see what it sounds like and see what you guys think of the sound. I can't wait to put that exhaust in. I already have it. I'm just waiting until Saturday, but either way, let's go. All right everyone, here we go. This is the stock exhaust with secondary cat delete. I'm gonna give it some revs also, so that way you guys can hear it. All right, you guys, so I got my Camaro here behind me, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn the car around and do a launch and see what it sounds like, and I'm gonna have the GoPro on so that way you guys can see that angle too. Let's get it.
It's a big, hairy American winning machine. If you ain't first, you're last.
Yo, what's up, you guys? Good morning. So it is finally Saturday, and I'm gonna take this cover off the ZL1, and I'm waiting for my boy Javi to show up because what he did was bring his truck so that way I can take the box for the exhaust and throw it in the back of the truck, and then we'll go from there. Now, should I keep the factory exhaust? Should I leave the factory exhaust? I don't know. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you guys think. If anybody out there is interested in the exhaust, if you live here in Arizona, I don't know how long it's gonna last if I keep that exhaust, because I kind of put it out there on my Instagram the other day and I already had people reaching out. But I'd prefer if you lived here in Arizona, so that way you can just, you know, come by and pick it up and then you'll be good to go. But either way, time to take that cover off and let's get this day going. Let's go. All right, you guys, so Javi showed up. He came through with the rescue and he brought the truck. So I'm gonna make sure I leave his Instagram down below so you guys can check him out. He's got a sick Camaro too that he's building. You never know what car this guy is gonna have next. I know he's got plans for so many different surprises, whether it's with the Camaro, without the Camaro. I don't know. This guy's got a lot going on, so make sure you guys follow him. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna give this thing one last cold start just for the love. Hold on, I gotta close that door because, you know, we gotta make it look good. You know what I mean? Can't be doing a cold start with the door. It ain't that loud. His Camaro is, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, we're gonna do one last cold start just for the love and go from there. There it is. Next up will be the new exhaust, you guys. Oh, sneak peek. What is that, right there? All right, you guys, so we are officially back at Muffler Masters of Avondale, and I got the ZL1 put up right now. We're gonna raise the car here in a moment, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like under there right now. I do got my AWE box here, which now is finally that time to take my lollipop, which I'm gonna enjoy after this. And then of course I got my brackets right here too, so that way you can tie up the MPP valves, the little actuators, the little motor under the car, and I'll show you guys where to do that. Now, Muffler Masters of Avondale is here in Arizona, so make sure you guys hit him up. You know, he's the only one that's been working on my car for both of my builds now for like maybe 7-8 years. He's been working on my stuff, and he's the only place that I recommend. So make sure you guys ask for Chris and let him know that I sent you, and he'll take great care of you. I cannot wait for you guys to hear what this is gonna sound like. It should sound really, really good. I'm excited. So there is the setup here. There goes the mufflers. This is how it kind of sets up the connection. And then when you reach this point right over here, that's where your secondary cat deletes link up right there. Or like some people do, and like we're gonna do, I'm gonna keep it the same setup the way I had it before. No secondary cats. But either way, beautiful setup. And I absolutely love that right there. That says AWE. 3-inch pipes. Stainless steel all the way back with 4.5-inch tips in that box. Let's get it. It's gonna be loud? All right, you guys, this is the stock exhaust. We ain't got nothing on there, but I want to give it a startup. I want to see what it sounds like. Hopefully it sounds pretty loud. Oh, that sounds good. Oh my God. I need that sound right there. You rev this thing? wish I could rev it, but it's too late. I can't rev it. Ooh, you can smell that. Yo, why did GM do this right here? Why? Look at that right there. I don't understand. But that's gonna get changed, so we're not even worried about it. All right, so where we at, Chris?
So essentially, these manufacturers who make the kits are legally not allowed to build a kit that involves deleting a converter.
Mm-hmm.
So this kit is going to come up a little bit shy of where we are. So if I put this one up here, you can see not quite there. The reason is because the cats have already been deleted on this vehicle. The secondary cats. The primary cats are still there.
Mm-hmm.
You need those. O2 sensor, check engine light. The secondary cats are not monitored still, despite that fact. These companies aren't allowed to make it that way. So what we're gonna do is, where these little louvers are cut out for the clamp, I'm going to trim these off, build an adapter pipe, and we'll be able to weld this together.
Perfect. Which is
Kind of
exactly-
started on the driver's side already. You can see we built the adapter piece already on there. So this one, slip it in there. See, that should pretty much fit like a glove. Where I can just run a little suture around here, get it welded in, tighten the clamp. That's gonna be all she wrote.
There you go. All right, you guys, the exhaust is officially put on. The tips are installed. Everything else is installed all the way through. So let me just show you guys what it looks like under here. And make sure I welded that to my original pipe that was here. And that's pretty much it. That's all she wrote all the way through. So we're gonna go ahead and bring it down and fire it up and give it a couple of revs. Hopefully it sounds good. Let's see what it sounds like. Then I'm gonna go inside the car. Bro, what?
It's got some cold start clap.
What's that gonna sound like? Hold on. Battery's weak. Let's see where it is.
How's the sound?
Sounds sick. Oh my god. How's it sound?
It's a whole different car, man.
For real?
It ain't even the same.
See what those
car
pops.
Alright, you guys, so the exhaust is fully officially installed in the car and it is absolutely amazing. It's literally night and day. Now keep in mind, what am I doing right now? 75 miles an hour right now, and there's no drone. Matter of fact, you can barely tell that I even have the exhaust put on there. But I'm not gonna rev it like too hard right now, but just like a small little, you can hear. That's crazy. Oh my god, bro. That's crazy. I'm barely giving it any throttle. I definitely got to put the GoPro back there. I definitely got to get some videos of the back of the car. The idle is crazy. It's sick. It's absolutely sick. I cannot wait for the headers to go in with this exhaust because it's already loud. But once we put the headers, pulley, and tune on here, I want those pops. So, yeah, this thing is crazy. I'm super excited with this one. We're almost home. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm literally gonna just go ahead and sit right here, right next to it, and make sure that, you know, we get this real reaction on this cold start. Shout out to all the neighbors. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna get a real reaction on this cold start, and I don't know if I should be sitting this close next to it, but I just want to see because I'm excited to see what it sounds like. And shout out to all the neighbors. It should be okay, you know. It should be all right. Let's give it a shot. Now that sounds good. All right, you guys, we're gonna do a cold start. The neighbors are outside. I got the GoPro on, and I'm gonna drive around real quick and go from there. See what you guys think. Wow. All right, you guys, so listen to that. Let me brighten it up a little bit. Yeah, that thing sounds insane, dude. Wait till the headers come on and we install that with the pulley. Man, it's crazy. And the tune, it's gonna be a lot of fun. It sounds really good right now as it is. But a huge shout out to AWE Tuning for once again providing this exhaust. This exhaust again does work from the 16 to the 22 plus 6th gen Camaro V8 SS or the ZL1, the ZL1 1LE, whatever, the SS 1LE. It's crazy. I definitely recommend this exhaust right here. 100% without a doubt, to me, has the best sound for what I was looking for. I wanted it to be deep and loud. I didn't want it to be loud and raspy. You know what I mean? Not that these become like raspy, but there's some that are like piercing loud. I didn't want it to be loud and piercing. I wanted it to be loud and deep. Now, once the headers go on, man, that's gonna sound insane. Like, it already sounds crazy now. So either way, hopefully that GoPro, you know, gave some justice to the video for what this car actually sounds like in person. But either way, again, huge shout out to them. I'm gonna leave the link in the description down below. Let me know what you guys think of this sound. Are you planning on getting an exhaust for your Camaro? Now, keep in mind, they don't just sell exhaust for the Camaro. They do have other cars that they provide also. So if you don't drive a Camaro and you drive something else, go to their website and check out what they have. And I'm telling you, especially with like all these sales and stuff coming up, Black Friday just passed. You know, we're on Cyber Monday right now. They're gonna have Christmas and all this stuff. So make sure you guys check them out. I'm telling you, I highly recommend everybody to jump on board with one of these right here. I encourage you guys to go check out that site. Absolutely amazing. I love this setup. The cold starts are retarded, dude. I don't know how I'm gonna go to Cars and Coffee in the mornings when I gotta leave the house at 5, 6 a.m. with my neighbors. I mean, yeah, that's gonna be insane, but it is what it is. I love the neighbors. They love me back. They know I got 2 builds. Man, but either way, if it's your first time on the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below. A thumbs up definitely helps out the channel. Leave me that comment. Let me know what you guys think. And I'm telling you, there's a lot more to come. I got some more stuff going on this week. I'm gonna record another video, so hopefully I can drop that by this Friday. But either way, I love you guys, man. I appreciate all the love and support. I really do. All the messages and everything throughout all the social media. Hopefully this convinces you right here. For those that were deciding and debating on which exhaust to go with, hopefully this does the job for you. Just listen to that. It sounds absolutely amazing. But either way, in the meantime, between time, you guys know the drill. Hey, Dilla. Bow! Superman. Right there behind me. Prep time. Chilling in the garage. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.